Hey guys, it's me Liz. If you're heading to Uzbekistan soon, here are 5 important things you should know before arriving at Tashkent. Let's start with the most important one. Make sure you have a valid visa. During our flight, there was actually a fellow Filipino tourist who wasn't allowed to enter. I didn't catch the full story, so I'm not sure what happened, but for me, as a Philippine passport holder, I had to apply for a tourist visa. Luckily, applying for one is super easy. Just prepare your passport and an ID photo, then fill out the form at e-visa.gov.uz. It only costs around $20. Next up, be prepared for the language barrier. This is common in many countries, but it's worth emphasizing here. Without our pre-booked tours, I honestly think our trip would have been much more challenging. We did explore Tashkent on our own, and in that time, we only had one proper conversation in English with two students who were interviewing tourists for practice. That said, don't worry, your hands and facial expressions will do wonders. Hand gestures are your new best friend. Moving on to tip number 3, don't expect Grab or Uber to work. Uzbekistan uses a different ride hailing app called Yandex Go, so make sure to download that before you arrive. It works just like Uber and it's super handy if you're not joining a guided tour and also don't want to commute. But if you're feeling adventurous, their subway system is great. A one-way ticket costs just 2,000 som and that's a flat rate regardless of how many stops you take. Here's something we learned the hard way. Only a few currencies are accepted at the airport's currency exchange counter. We brought AED and PHP but couldn't exchange either. So to be safe, bring US dollars with you. They're widely accepted and easy to exchange. And lastly, watch out for ATM compatibility. My Philippine ATM cards didn't work at the airport. Every time I tried, the machine would skip ahead before I could finish entering my 6-digit PIN. I tried 5 times with different cards, no luck. Fortunately, my sister had a UAE ATM card that uses a 4-digit PIN, and that worked perfectly. So, if your card uses a 6-digit PIN, it might not work on some machines in Uzbekistan. And there you have it, 5 important things to know before arriving at Tashkent, Uzbekistan. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, or save this video for later. And if you've been to Uzbekistan or have more tips to add, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear them. Safe travels and see you in the next one. Bye!